2, 1, start. 50, right 6, very long, and right 5 late, 50. Left 4 short, and,
hold on.
Sorry.
Yep.
So left 4 short and, right 5 short and,
okay.
Left 5 long, tightens 3, 70. Left 4, 100. Right 4, 50. Right 5, 50. Left 4, over crest, into. Right 4, don't, 50 through junctions. Turn right 2, long. And left 3, short. 30, long 6, short, into, right 6, long. And. Left 3, 100. Right 6, minus 30. Left 4, very, very long.
Yep.
Right 6, short, into deceptive, turn left 5, long. And caution, deceptive, right 3. 50, left 6, short. 100, caution, deceptive, turn, right 3 late, over crest. And right 4. 150, uphill. Right 5 long, tightens into left 3 long. 100, left 4 don't, slippy maybe. 70, road right 20. Right 5 very, very long, don't.
You're perfect, you're
okay.
Perfect.
So this is a right 5 very, very long,
yep, got it.
Don't. And left 4, 100. Right 6 plus long, tightens 4. Into.
Yep.
Left 3 long, don't, keep left at junction. 100, right 6, opens 150. Left 4 short, 100. Right 6 plus, okay, 80. Left 2 over crest, into right 3, neat. Into left 3, short. Into right 4, over crest, opens. Into left 6, into crest 10, right 5, short, king silver 100.
Here's the crest 5, yep.
These are the king silver 100, left 5, don't, 50. Turn right 2. And left 3 opens 70. Right 3 into left 3 short. And right 3 long, 100. Caution, deceptive turn left 3 plus. 50. Left 5 long, late, into. Right 4 very long, keep right at junction. Left 4 opens over small crest, 20, right 3 slippy. And left 3 long into right 3 and right 5 through clearing slippy, tightens 4. And left 3 into right 4. Into left 3 long. 70. Right 6. 50.
Yep.
Right 2 don't, into left 3. 30. Right 3 minus into. Left 4 don't, short, into. Right 4 very long. Into. Left 3 100. Left 6 plus short 70, small crest 20, left 3 short. Small crest 20, left 3 short. 30. Right 5 very, very long, opens, tightens. Into left 4. 30, left 5 short. And caution, caution, left 4 short into right 4, tightens late, slippy, into, left 4 long into, right 6 plus very long, 20, left 5 don't, tightens 4, very long, into, right 5 long, 50, right 6 plus over crest, continued over 300. And
hold on. You're over crest. We're good. Okay.
And left 4 into right 4 long. 30.
Here's left 4.
So into right 4 long. 30. Left 4, then line over 200. Left 5 over small crest. 70.
Okay.
Left 4 short into right 4 150. Bump, keep left. Left 3 plus into. Right 3 long into. Left 4 plus very long. And right 3 tightens 2 into. Left 3 opens and. Right 3 plus short into. Left 5 short. Kinks over at 120.
Okay. Yep.
Deceptive left 5, tightens 3. And right 2 opens long, 150. Right 3 long into. Left 2 long into. Right 4 short and. Left 6 plus 20, turn left 3, 150. Now the right 4, very long, 30. Right 4 short into left 3 plus into. Right 6 very long. 50. Loose left 3 into. Right 4 long. Opens, tightens 3. And left short, 30. Left 3 long and. Right 3 kinks over 150. Right 3 short into. Left 3 plus into right 6 short.
Yeah, that might have been that.
Sorry.
No, we're good, we're good.
And crest 10, left 3.
This is a right long.
Right 4, very, very long, opens, tightens, 3.
Yeah. Yep.
70. Left 2 long into flat right 200. Right 6 short into left 4 short over flying finish. Into right 5 short 100.
Cool. Yeah. That was perfect. Oh my god.